Chiwenga versus Mutsvangwa. Tensions linger its Statehouse factions. Sanabana mashoko obudanyi kwachinzi aiwa Mutsvangwa uyachipesa napauchina Chiwenga inside the Statehouse gig. Subscribe or like on the bell. TV na mobudanyi kwamchinzi. A high-profile Statehouse function meant to celebrate Guest Conference the new role as the International Olympic Committee (IOC) president became an unexpected stage for political undercurrents. As Vice President Chiwenga and former Minister Christopher Mutsvangwa found themselves in a same room for the first time since their publicized fallout. The event captured in the attached images suggests that while diplomacy prevailed, the underlying tensions between the two remains palpable. The rift between Chiwenga and Mutsvangwa stems from a leaked audio recording in which Mutsvangwa allegedly accused Chiwenga of decapitating his estranged wife, Mary Chiwenga. The shocking claims were later refuted by Mary herself in a ZVAITWA YouTube interview, where she stated she had never had any discussion with Mutsvangwa regarding her former husband. The scandal cast a shadow over our country's political elite, with the supporters on both sides engaging in heated debates about the credibility of the allegations. Despite these accusations, Chiwenga and Mutsvangwa were both present at the Statehouse faction, yet their body language and interactions or lack thereof spoke volumes about lingering hostility. Thomas Kwambranyiro panapa anachiti aiwa Chiwenga na Mutsvangwa wachizodhumana manje muStatehouse function inoonekwa kunzi yange iri kucelebrata first Coventry paero awa yepresidency IOC. Tudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pana comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.